Hey, what's poppin' YouTube? Back with another video. Enoch here, 777. Hope all is well. Shouts out to everybody out there. Stay out of the way. Stay focused and balanced. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. One of my supporters asked me a question. They asked me a question about the pineal gland, and they wanted to basically know, why is it that whenever certain situations occur and they are in the middle of everything and they have a heightened awareness and they are able to look around using the pineal gland, they wanted to freaking know, where does that rattling sound come from, that buzzing sound come from, right? If you actually study the pharaohs and how they actually looked, the ancient Egyptian gods and stuff of that nature, not only did they have on a headdress that looks like this, but you will begin to see that there was two serpents, or even one, coming out just like this. And this is the Kundalini energy, because they are two serpents going up the chakra system, activating the chakras and busting open through the crown. This is where you get the snakes from, on the top of the head, right? And if you was to actually take a look at a freaking rattlesnake and you study the sound, kind of similar to the buzz and the rattling noise of the pineal gland, right? If you was to actually go out there in nature and you just so happen to look on the ground and you see a pine cone right there just laying there, right? The ancient Sumerian gods, the Anunnaki, they actually had a pine cone just like this, right? And with that pine cone, it is the pineal gland. It is the third eye. And what else does it resemble? It freaking resembles a rattlesnake when it loses its tail. This is Enoch 777. Peace. I'm out. Love all of you out there.